Hi guys, welcome to Friday Kitchen Chemistry with Liana. I'm Liana and we are back with today's video. Today we are going to be making salt dough. Super easy, super fun, only takes 3 ingredients that you guys will likely have at home. So let's get started. For this, we are going to take a cup of flour, which I have here. We're going to use ½ a cup of salt and likely ½ a cup of water. I'm going to slowly add in the water as I need it, and I'll explain to you more what you're looking for when you're pouring in that water. Alright, so I have gone ahead and measured out a ½ a cup of salt and poured that into our bowl. I'm now going to take a cup of our flour, pour that into our bowl as well. Right, and then I'm just going to mix that up with my hands. Next, I'm going to take my water and I'm going to add it in a little bit at a time, knead it up, and then add in more if I need more. It gets a little messy, that's okay. It's part of the fun. So the consistency that you guys are looking for is one that's not sticky and it's not powdery either. So I've got my salt dough right here. It's not sticky. It's like a Play-Doh material. I can do whatever I want with it. I can spread it out if I wanted to. I can stamp things into it. So this is a really fun way to mold and create different things. You could make your own characters. You could do hand prints. You could do paw prints if you've got any pets at home. If you've got toy dinosaurs, toy cars, toy anything, you can stamp them into the salt dough. And then the best part about the salt dough is that you can bake it and cause it to solidify, and it'll keep that shape. And one quick disclaimer that I did want to make, I did say that you could use this to do pet paw prints if you wanted. However, this is toxic to pets, so make sure that your pets are not eating this, okay? So what I've gone ahead and done here is created a print of my hand. So I just went ahead and pressed my hand into there. I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the oven, or you can microwave it. So if you're going to do it in the oven, you want to put the oven at about 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to want to bake that in there for about 2 hours. Or you can heat this up in the microwave, and I'd say about 15-second intervals, 15 to 30-second intervals, until it hardens. And it will be very hot when it's done, so be careful. Alright, so I went ahead and microwaved mine at 15-second intervals. It's not completely dried out, but for the sake of the video, this will work. But yeah, it's pretty hard, and you can do whatever you want with this. You could always use a little bit less dough or break it up into smaller pieces in the beginning and make multiple different things. You can use it to make ornaments or any sort of thing that you want. And then once you've made it hard, so once you've cooked it, you can paint it, design it however you want, and it yields itself to a lot of fun activities. There are lots of things that you can do with this. My hand print, I don't know if you can see it very well here, stuck together pretty well. My hand fits perfectly in it, just like it did before, and it held its shape. So very exciting. Salt dough fossils, super easy to do, and very versatile. I hope you guys enjoy this activity. See you guys next time. Bye.